Hello? In this tutorial, we will show you how to receive notifications by SMS for comments on Facebook, right from your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook. Log into your Facebook account using your credentials. Step 2. Click on the notification icon located at the top right corner of your screen. This will open the notifications menu. Step 3. Next, click on the 3 dots icon. This will open a drop-down menu with additional options. Step 4. From the drop-down menu, select Notification Settings. This will take you to the Notification Settings page. Step 5. Now, click on Comments to open the Comment Notifications section. Step 6. Finally, toggle on the switch next to SMS. By enabling this option, you will receive instant notifications for comments on Facebook via SMS. And that's it. You're now set to receive SMS notifications for comments on Facebook, even when you're using your PC. Stay connected and never miss an important comment again. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Receive instant SMS notifications for comments on Facebook right on your PC.